This is gonna be the beginning of my EPIK application vlog, I guess. I'm pretty proud of myself that I actually finished everything and I still have like 2 hours left, I guess. This whole time I thought it was the first already, but then I checked time in Korea. Oh, 9:04 a.m. but like it's January 31st. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your application has been submitted. Does that make sense though, that I'm anxious, that I'm not anxious about the interview? Like I feel like I should be worried, but at the same time I'm like, I got this. But do I really? My checklist, my outfit, my tattoo sleeve, I can't read, silent my phone, bring a cup of water, pee before, and write a gratitude list. So guess who got a tummy ache? So it is currently 5:09 p.m. and I've opened up Skype and I'm just waiting, just looking through stuff. I'm getting tired. I did it! Oh my gosh. I'm so scared that they're somehow still listening. Okay, so they did remember me from last year, which is really great. It made it so much easier. So my interview was like 10 minutes and he said he would email me stuff and let me know by the end of this week or something like that, that if I passed or not. And it was really chill. Thank you, universe. Like the first time they asked a lot more about stuff, but I feel like they didn't really ask me anything. It was just like mostly formal stuff, like going through the application and like what I need to fix on. And we talked about my tattoo, but that was more like the mandatory questions, like, oh, you do understand that you will have to cover it at all times, even if your co-teachers or your teachers or anybody says that it's okay. And then you say, yes, I'm willing to do that. I'm ready to commit to that. I'm anything to get me out of here. Y'all can read it. Con có tin vui cho bà đó.
Yeah. Nó nhận rồi hả?
Yeah, I passed the interview.
Oh, you passed interview. Good. Wow. Congratulations.
The thick packet of paper, we can't even see. There's like at least 50 pages. It was like a lot of paperwork, so I had like the original copies and then like the copies, and then I had so many questions while I was doing it. So like the first question that came to my head was like, do I have to print the application all on, like, can I do it double-sided, you know, like little paper and whatever's? But then I was like, I'm just gonna keep it all on like each page, single paged, just to look more professional, I guess. The one thing that's like killing me right now, as like they ship it, like, is the paperclip problem. So like I don't have paper clips to begin with, and then I went to buy them, and like I came home and then I bought them the same fucking day, like in the morning, and they were, I opened them up, and they were like, oh, you don't have paper clips. And then I was like, oh, And I already bought them, and I'm at home, and like, I open them up, and they're tiny, and then they can barely like hold the thing. But on the EPIK paper, instruction paper, it said like, don't like use multiple clips, just, you know, like use one big clip for like each packet, like the original packet and then like the copy packet. So then I had to squeeze all those paper into the freaking paper clip, and I'm scared like the paper clip is gonna like dent the paper, and like, you know, it's already dented when I put it in the first place, and now I'm just like freaking out because like I overthink things. So hopefully it all works out. Good morning. It's like 7:30 a.m. and I like kind of just woke up. Anyway, I got the email. I almost forgot about this whole vlog thing. I got my final placement email and I just replied. I got placed in Jeonnam. 나의 두 눈을 감으면